What can you do if you use a mini 4G LTE mini Wi-Fi box, mini router, and at the signal you have the red color? Keep in mind, first when you start the router, the signal light he stay green, but after 1 minute, the router it will connect to the internet, and after it connect to the internet, the color can be changed depend the strength of the signal what is available for the router. In my case, the color is green, but if it's green not mean the speed of the internet is high. This is because maybe you have a good signal, but your GSM provider is busy, many devices is connected, and the green light he not mean the speed is good, the quality of the internet is good. So if here is red, my advice is to connect with your laptop to this device, and with laptop you can see more information about the reason for here is a red color. So how you can do? First, if you buy the router from our company, here when you go to the Wi-Fi network available on your laptop, if you be connected before to the same router, you must find the name of the Wi-Fi Netcafe. If not connect before and if it's first time, you must see hidden network here. Okay, and you have to connect to this hidden network. You put the name Netcafe and net space cafe and password copiat 2019, all with small letter. Okay, first letter must be with small. Net space cafe and password copiat 2019. Okay, so after you connect to this router, be sure you are connected to this Netcafe. Keep in mind, you when you start the router, you no need to find this Huawei F55676. This is the default Wi-Fi name. If you find this Huawei Wi-Fi name, this means the router is resetted and you have to make all settings from zero. You can find a video how to set the router from zero. So when you go here to Wi-Fi, be sure you not find Huawei F5576. If you find, you must connect with this information what is here, okay, in the cover, and you have to set from zero. So I will connect now to the Netcafe. I will go and I will put this IP address. Keep in mind this IP address is only available for this router. If you use another router from another company, for surely IP is different. In my case, I will open a web browser and I will put this IP address and I will press enter. And here I have to put the same password, copy at 2019. Let's check if it's right. Copy AT 2019 without space and all is the same password like Wi-Fi. Okay, and I press connect, and okay, now I am in web interface for from the router. Here I can check very useful information. For example, if my router is connected to the internet, and here I can see is connected to the 4G. I see the speed. Okay, here must be with green. If something is wrong here, you must see information. Maybe your SIM card is old and he expired, or maybe you have a security code enabled on the SIM card, and when you start you have to put here he will request a security code. My advice is to disable, put SIM card in your phone and disable. Maybe you not activate, you not have credit card on credit on your SIM card. or maybe so you have to put credit or maybe enable a option with internet. I don't know, can be many reasons, but here for sure you can see information about your connection. What you can do here, and my advice is to do, is to check speed of the internet from the router. You can go to Google, search or Bing and search speed test. Go to Ookla because this guy is very okay, and the app he works well, and is the speed is very accurate, and make a speed test and check the speed test to be more than 10 megabytes per second. Minimum is 10 megabytes, but 10 megabytes is worse, is not fine. Okay, you can check your camera, but this is for another video. You can see my camera is connected. I cheat, or maybe you have another camera, you must find connected here. Okay, this is the name NetCafe and the password is Copia 2019. Keep in mind this Wi-Fi name NetCafe is hidden. So if you go now, I will try to search from my phone. I cannot find this Wi-Fi because it's hidden. Only the camera and my laptop, because I will add from hidden network. I put NetCafe and the password, and only in this way I can access the settings from the web interface from the mini router. Okay, so be sure here on starting screen you have connection. And again, keep in mind this information is available only for this kind of router. If you have another router, the principle is almost the same, but the interface maybe can differ a little bit. The graphics is a little different, but the working principle is the same. Your router must have internet, and the signal must be good, and the speed test, when you make a speed test, must be okay.